Good morning, fam. I have something special to share with you. It's over here in the sink. It is soaking, and I'm just going to get it. This is a honey rock cantaloupe that I grew from seed. I've been trying for 2 years now. This is the first one that actually came to fruition. And I got 3 others on the vine. Now just yesterday, this one dropped off the vine and harvested itself. It said, "Boop, I'm ready." So I've got you here, that sweet, musty melon smell. I've got you here witnessing the unveiling of this amazing melon. You ready? Ooh, yeah. Look at that. It's so gorgeous and juicy. Yes. I'm gonna go get my spoon. Be right back. Got my silver spoon. I always keep a silver spoon in my mouth. Oh, we've got lots of nice mature seeds. And oh, look at that. Oh, it's perfect. And you know we're gonna save these seeds. And if you want some, just let me know. I guess I can send them to you. Oh, it's so juicy and delicious. And sweet. Family, grow your own. It's better. And it tastes amazing. The idea, that I just took a little tiny seed, I planted it in the ground. I fed the roots, the sunshine, the rain, me watering it just over time. And that was just, let me see, we did this in May. That was only 2 months. 2 months to harvest. You can do it. You can grow your own. Peace until next time. Praise the Creator for all good things.